Want to combine multiple images into a single collage on your iPhone without installing any extra apps? You can do it right from Apple's built-in Shortcuts app. First, swipe down on your home screen, search for Shortcuts and tap to open it. In the Shortcuts library, tap the plus icon in the top right to create a new shortcut. Then tap the three-dot menu next to its placeholder name, choose Rename, enter Combine Photos, and hit Done. Next, tap Add Action, search for Select Photos, add it, and enable Select Multiple so you can pick more than one image at a time. Tap Add Action again, search for Combine Images and add it. Then choose Vertical, Horizontal, or Grid to set your collage layout. Lock in your favorite orientation if you plan to reuse this shortcut often. Finally, add one more action, Save to Photo Album, so the resulting image automatically saves to Recents in your Photos app. If you'd like instant access, open the three-dot menu again, choose Add to Home Screen, pick an icon and tap Add. From now on, just tap your new home screen icon, select your pictures, and watch them merge into a polished collage in seconds. If this helped you, tap like, drop a comment with your favorite layout, and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips every week.